I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise, here today to talk to you about an aromatherapy blend, a recipe for sinus and chest congestion. Aromatherapy is one of the best choices when you're dealing with sinus and chest congestion, and specifically an inhalation using steam. You can find a variety of herbs around the house that you can add to a steam and to simply and easily relieve your sinus and chest congestion. A couple of herbs that I recommend are thyme, which is a natural antibacterial, rosemary, which is used for a variety of respiratory issues, particularly with the lungs, and lastly is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a natural decongestant and expectorant to help you get rid of a lot of phlegm. And you can simply boil some water, add these herbs, or if you have the essential oils on hand, you can use those, or you can use a combination of those. Add them to the boiling water and turn it down or turn it off and allow the steam to rise into your nasal passages. This can clear your nasal passages, it relieves congestion, and also helps in reducing or eliminating phlegm from the lungs. I'm Desiree, and this is Aromatherapy Blend Recipe for Sinus and Chest Congestion.